This is for entertainment purposes only. So, my HVAC system upstairs, my loft. This is an older unit. It's like 25. Is it 25 years old? About 25 years old. But for when I was freezing, this valve here was freezing over. Fixed that. Had a bad transformer. And I think I either got a bad capacitor because it's cooling slightly, but not 100%. But these contacts in this area is pretty dusty, and this also need to be cleaned. Look at all that build up there. Yeah, I need to be cleaning also, so I can get good airflow. But we're gonna see what we can do. We gotta take this top off and get to it. Let's tackle the inside. Move all this stuff here. Leaves and stuff that's accumulated over the years. Alright. Now I'm gonna test my capacitor, make sure my microfarads are what it should be. But got the inside pretty clean. Could be a lot better. But it's better than it was. Alright, this is 22 microfarads, so my capacitor needs to be replaced. So it needs to be plus or minus 30 microfarads. So this is at 7. Alright, this is plus 5 from my control to the fan. It's fine, so it's either be plus 5 or minus 5. So we're at 5. So again, the Herm to the control is bad, so I'm gonna need another capacitor. But I'm also gonna clean out. Pretty inside this as well, because I haven't done it. But yeah, it looked like I had a bad transformer and a bad capacitor. Entertainment purposes only. Before you do any type of electrical work on your vehicle and on your house, turn your power off. This is my heat pump. So turn your power off. Don't get fried out here. I purchased this coil cleaner from Lowe's, so again, use caution. You don't want to ruin this filter on the outside of your HVAC system. Look at the pattern, how it goes down. And then some of these don't work with every HVAC system. They'll just be cautious on what you're using. But I want to show you guys entertainment purposes only. Make sure you like my video. Like my video, please. Come on, man. All right, good. You want to, when you spraying your spray, if you choose to do this, you want to be about maybe a foot off from your springs. Again, you don't want to be in your springs. And then your water, you want to remove the hose and you want to run lightly. Don't turn the water all the way up. See, that's too fast. Right there, that's too fast. You want this water. You want to slow it down a little bit. Yeah, nice and slow. That's too much water coming out. We're gonna do it nice and slow. That's what you want. Right there. Yeah, don't do that. Turn my breaker back on, but just because it turned on don't mean it's cold. So I'm gonna have to get a new. Well, it's on the way. It'll be here Friday. It will be here Friday. Who's that for? My capacitor's on the way. It'll be here Friday. But yeah, entertainment purposes.